In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment method from Play Store. First, let's open the Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the app icon that looks like a colorful triangle. It's usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. When you tap on the icon, the Google Play Store will load up, displaying various apps, games, and content available for download. This step is essential because it serves as the starting point for managing your payment methods. Without accessing the Play Store, you cannot proceed further. You're doing great so far, and this will set the foundation for the next steps. Once the Google Play Store is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually a circular icon with your profile picture or initials. Tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This action is important because it gives you access to your account settings and preferences. Many users overlook this step, but accessing your profile is crucial for managing your account properly. After you tap, you will see various options related to your Google account. Next, tap on Payments and Subscriptions from the menu that appears. This section is where you can manage your payment information, subscriptions, and transaction history. Selecting this option will take you to a new screen filled with payment options. It's vital to navigate here to find the details you need to adjust your payment methods. You are progressing well, and soon you will have control over your payment settings. After that, tap on Payment Methods. This option allows you to view all the payment methods currently linked to your Google account. In this section, you will see your credit cards, debit cards, and any other payment options you have added. This step is crucial because it allows you to see all your payment methods in one place. Once you tap this, you will be able to manage your payment preferences effectively. From there, tap on More Payment Settings. This option will redirect you to a web browser or a new interface where you can manage your payment methods in detail. It's necessary to click here to access the settings where you can remove a payment method. This little step can save you a lot of time later when you're trying to streamline your payment options. Once tapped, you will see a list of all your payment options once again. Now, if prompted, sign into your Google account. You may need to enter your account credentials such as your email and password. This step is essential for security reasons, ensuring that only you can make changes to your account. After entering your information, you will be granted access to your account settings. It's a simple process, and this verification helps protect your financial information. Next, find the payment method you want to remove. Scroll through the list of payment methods presented on the screen. You may see credit cards, debit cards, or other payment options you have previously added. Carefully select the payment method you wish to delete. This step matters because it ensures you are only removing what you no longer need. You can take your time here to ensure you're choosing the correct option. After locating the payment method, tap Remove. Confirming your choice is a significant step in the process. When you tap Remove, a prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. You are almost done with the process, and it's a good feeling to take charge of your account settings. Finally, tap Remove again to confirm. This action will finalize the removal of the payment method from your Google account. Once you complete this step, the payment method will be deleted and you will receive a confirmation message. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can proceed knowing your account is up to date and secure. Congratulations on successfully managing your payment methods in the Google Play Store.